Hello guys, welcome once again on this platform, and in this video today we are going to learn how to fix Candy Saga, you know, Crush Saga or Candy Crush Saga, you know. So if you are facing a black screen problem with this game, then I get you covered in this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. First of all, you have to get to your phone menu and just scroll down. When you scroll down, what you have to search for is settings. When you find it, just tap on it. Then after that, you have to search for apps and notification, or apps and preference. And other phones too, you're gonna get apps, so you just tap on it. After tapping on it, you have to wait for it to load. Now when you see all apps, so when you find your CEO apps, just tap on it, or app list, just tap on it. It's all the same. Okay, so let's tap on it. After doing this, what you have to do next is to search for the Candy Crush Saga game if it have a black screen problem. So let's search for the game, and in this video I don't have the game right now, but it's the same process, so you have to follow the same process. So we just search for Candy Crush Saga, but I'm going to use the demo app. So this is the demo app that I'm going to use. So when you click on the Candy Crush Saga, what you have to do is to tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on permissions, then you allow all permissions. So as you can see with this demo app, it allows it has only two permissions, which is the camera and also the location. So with the Candy Crush Saga, maybe it has more, or maybe it might has less. So after that, just check the storage and cache, then declare the cache, then declare the storage. After doing this, what you have to do next is to make sure you check the mobile data Wi-Fi background as it's turned off. Just let it on. Okay, when it's on too, you have to turn it off, then you turn it on again. After that, you go back, then you check the notification, then you have to make sure all notifications are on over here. So after doing all these, what you have to do is to restart your device. So you tap on your power button for long, then you tap on a restart, then you tap on OK. So when you tap on OK and it's restarted and still not working, please go to Play Store and check for the updates. Okay, and when after updating it, just restart it again and everything is going to work perfectly. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. Bye.